What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. On my way home from work once again, but we're not going to be going straight home today. I have a nice stop, well, special stop, but you know, nothing really spectacular. On the way home, we're going to be going to the post office and picking up the final giveaway from our final sponsor for the Midwest Moto Meet-Up. And that sponsor would be Vance and Hines. And I already know what they sent, but I'm just going to keep it a surprise until we get to the post office. Actually, better yet, until we get home and get it opened up. So as I am recording this video, we are, I don't know, 4 short days away from Midwest Moto Meet-Up. And I can't believe it's here already. I'm getting anxious, I'm getting nervous, I'm getting excited all at once because, this freaking event's here, man. I can't wait to get everything rolling and come meet everybody down in my neck of the woods, show you all a good time here, and just have an awesome weekend doing everything motorcycles. So to give you guys kind of an update on what the weather is calling for this weekend, we're actually looking at a very nice and beautiful weekend. It's kind of been going back and forth as far as the temps, but especially Saturday, Sunday, and Monday we're going to have nice, beautiful weather, especially on Saturday. I think the high is supposed to be about 80 degrees. And here, even with a little humidity, that is beautiful riding weather. Now on Friday, there is a small chance of rain in the AM. I think they're calling for possibly, I don't know, maybe less than 50% chance of showers on Friday morning. So that won't dampen the weekend at all. I mean, a little rain ain't gonna hurt anything. But he's in more of a hurry than I am. But anyway, back to the weather. You know, Friday a little bit of rain in the morning, maybe. But I mean, at 30%, it could not happen at all. We could be dry the entire weekend, which is amazing, especially for how unpredictable and how sometimes, you know, when you plan these events outdoors, that the weather can mess the whole thing up. But luckily, we're looking good for the weekend. And I know there's a lot of you that are traveling from all over. We got saddle tramps traveling from down in Mississippi. We got people traveling from California. I'm not sure if they're going to be on bikes or not, but people traveling from DC. Kid Moto 22, he's traveling almost 1,000 miles, I think, or close to it, up in North Dakota to come down to this. You know, Great Egrets, he's coming from, up by Madison. Tony Cox, he's coming from Louisville. That's a good 3.5-4 hour ride. So it looks like the weather is actually going to participate, which I'm very, very pleased with hearing about this from the forecast. But yeah, other than the giveaway I'm picking up today, we've got everything squared away as far as details and, you know, sponsor giveaways, you know, for the raffles when we get back from the ride on Saturday. We have a lot of stuff to give away for this event. So, you know, even if you say just the 60 people that are staying at the campsite all night, you know, you add on another maybe 20 or 30, you know, over half of the people coming are going to have a chance to win something because there's lots of stuff. I mean, we got stickers and stuff like that from several sponsors to give away too. So, man, it'd be nice if everybody left with a little something. But, you know, the main reason we're coming to do this is to ride and to hang out. And that's what I can't wait for the most. And you know, I was talking to Great Egret Joe, if you guys know him by his first name. I had to pick his brain because my memory is total dog crap, right? Well, I know this whole Midwest Moto Meet-Up was kind of a combination of his baby and mine, maybe more his. But when I was talking to Joe about this, you know, this little idea culminated back in probably around January, over the winter, because, you know, in the winter, when you can't ride, you got all these ideas about what you want to do during riding season, and we're just like, how awesome would it be to have something like what they do out in Florida, like what they do out in California, to have a moto meetup in the Midwest. And the idea is just spun into life over the last, you know, 7, 8, 9 months. And I'm just so excited that this little idea that these two guys had over the winter that were starved to ride, that couldn't ride because of the cold weather, this thing is actually coming into fruition, and it's just awesome. We're just about to the post office. Pick up our goodies there. I hope it'll fit in my saddlebag all right. But from what I heard from Vance and Hines, it should fit just fine. So this is downtown Gillespie where I live. This is actually, as you can see there, this is considered Route 66, but it's weird because Route 66 splits because of the years that the road was actually, like, they had to shut down parts of it because there was nicer roads being built for 66. But we're gonna ride on a little bit of all of them around this area for the Midwest Moto Meet-Up this weekend. Now, where are all the parking spots? I'm gonna have to pull a U-ey and park all the way back here. Alright, let's go see what we got inside. Alright, so here we go. You guys might have a pretty good idea what this is. So I also got a letter. I'll have to open that up when we get home too. It won't fit. That's okay. Well, this is going to be a circus act. I had no idea this is gonna stay put. I've got it wedged between my sissy bar bag and my back, so as long as I keep straight up and down, it shouldn't go anywhere. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, that's not gonna go anywhere. It's wedged perfectly.
Hell yeah!
Yeah, so on Sunday's route, I have this actually coming right through here because A, it is one part of Route 66 you guys can experience, and B, it's my hometown. But just to show you where Mr. D-Cycle grew up. Yep, the box is doing fine. It's not going anywhere. So we'll make it home just fine. I don't have to do over like 30 miles an hour back to the house, so we're gonna be fine. No damage will be done to the giveaway. Alright guys, well we're gonna get home now and we're gonna open up this box and see what we got in a bit. So I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, welcome back to my messy garage. Bike's parked. Let's open this box. Let's see what Vance and Hines sent old D-Cycle for the Midwest Moto Meet-Up. Look at that. A Vance and Hines fuel pack. FP3. part number 66005. Guys, I don't know if you know anything about these if you're watching this, but these things go for $400 online, so that is a huge contribution for Vance and Hines. Thank you guys very much. And they also sent a Vance and Hines t-shirt. Vance and Hines logo, size extra large. Well, that's amazing. Look at that. They say big things come in small packages, man. I mean, that's incredible. I mean, that's easily $420 worth of stuff right there. Vance and Hines, if you watch this video, thank you guys very much. And everybody, this will complete all the giveaways for the Midwest Moto Meetup. If you want to see what else is going to be included in the giveaways, make sure you go and check out some of my other videos below and see what has been contributed to the event by our great sponsors. Anyway, guys, I would just want to say thank you all again for joining me in another video. I will see some of you this Friday at the Midwest Moto Meetup. If you have any questions about the Midwest Moto Meetup, please leave me a comment below, and I will get that answered as soon as I can, because the event's coming up this Friday, just in a few days, and I want to make sure that you guys have all the answers you need about the event. So get a hold of me if you have any questions. Until next time, this is D-Cycle signing out, saying, take it sleazy. I'll see some of you on Friday.